I'm Ryan. I'm the field supervisor here for Goettl Hydraulics Mechanical here in Flagstaff, Arizona. I've been working for Goettl for about 6 years now. My job up here is to supervise the entire city of Flagstaff, supervise over my guys, make sure jobs are running correctly, smoothly. Today we got a 2-story rough-in install today. We're doing the furnace, coil, duct. Working in Flagstaff is pretty interesting. You just never know what you're gonna get. It could be the weather. Just last week it was snowing for 2 days in a row. Now it's 50 and sunny. Just comes with the job. So come along with me for a day in the trades. Back in Prescott, I was strictly install, but now I have a lot more on my shoulders. It's not just on me anymore. I gotta make sure I teach the guys around me and put them in a good position to learn and be able to grow and be able to just be comfortable with themselves in the trades here. The Goettls, they have a lot of opportunities here. So it's up to you if you want to take them or not. Got it all finished up here with the Goettl's furnace. Job is to be completed here for the electricians to finish their stub out and the gas guys to finish their stub out. Thanks for spending the day with us here at the 2-story rough-in install. My crew rocks. The A-team did a great job, got a lot of work done. Really happy with how the work turned out. The guys are just amazing. It was a good day. If you're interested in learning more about a career in the trades or need help with your heating, cooling, or plumbing, give Goettl Hydraulics Mechanical a call. We're here to help.